will climb into the pet carrier.
Moving the pet carrier into position, Ryder. This is tricky. I have to place it just right.
Sky! Callie's too scared to climb into the carrier. We need to try something else.
Okay, Ryder. I'll drop off the pet carrier and come back for Plan B. Plan B? Cool! What's Plan B?
Plan B is Marshall and his ladder. Ready, Marshall?